All right, example 1. Again, this is the only example today that you've never seen before. Everything else you've seen before, but we're going to go through them anyway just to make sure you're still on board with how to do them. This is an absolute value equation. We've done absolute value inequalities, right? But never an equation. And the main thing to think about here is this absolute value expression is your first priority. What you want to do is you want to get the absolute value expression by itself equal to some number. Doesn't matter what the number is yet, okay? But we want to get it equal to some number. So pretend it says like, I don't know, it could just say 2w plus 4 is equal to 34. All right? You don't have to do it this way, but just to give you a visual, we all know how to solve this equation, right? Move the 4 over, change the sign, divide by the 2. It's real simple. We're doing the same thing to this over here. So I've got 2 times this thing I want to have all by itself, plus 4 equals 34. Job 1, get the 4 over here. 2 absolute value expression equals 30. Job 2 is I don't want anything in front of the absolute value bars, so it's 2 times that. I want to get rid of the times 2, so I divide by 2 on both sides. Those 2's cancel, leaving me with absolute value of x plus 3. 30 divided by 2 is 15. That's first priority. Absolute value expression equals a number. Once you get to this point, your task is to find all possible answers to the problem. If absolute value equals a positive number, there's exactly 2 answers. If absolute value equals 0, there's exactly 1 answer. If absolute value equals a negative number, there are 0 answers. You put an empty set down. Okay? Absolute value bars make things positive, right? So if x plus 3 is equal to positive 15, the absolute value bars keep it positive 15, this right here will get us an answer to that problem. If we try it out, what's 12 plus 3?
15.
And the absolute value of 15 is?
15.
So x equals 12 is an answer, right? This equation right here is going to get us x equals 12. Okay, now if x plus 3 is equal to negative 15, terrible 5. There, all right, negative 15. So we've already solved this, right? Minus 3x equals 12. All right, if x plus 3 equals negative 15, watch what happens. I move the 3 over here. Negative 15 and negative 3 makes negative 18, right?
Yeah.
Watch this. What's negative 18 plus 3? Negative 15. The absolute value bars make it positive 15, and all of a sudden, hey, there's another answer to the problem. So we get the absolute value expression by itself equal to a positive number, and we state either the contents equal the positive or the contents equal the negative version of that number. Solve both of those equations individually to get both answers, and record those answers as the solutions for the problem.
Oh, we need both the answers?
Both are correct answers, yep.
Okay.
Either one of those numbers put back in the original problem. If we try it out, let's try negative 18. That makes 2 absolute value of negative 15 plus 4, which makes 2 times 15 plus 4, which makes 30 plus 4, which is 34.
Yep.
All right. Either one of those answers put back in the original problem will make the original problem true, so they both are correct answers. I think we'll all believe me with 12 on the same thing, right? 12 makes this positive 15, still positive, still 30, still 34. So that's how to do an absolute value equation. Most of the ones you see in this class will happen right this second. They don't really pop up much. That's just a topic that got missed in algebra. I just wanted you to see it. It'll happen on homework, a couple problems. There'll be a quiz study guide on Friday. It'll happen on that. There'll be one on the quiz, and then you probably won't see it anymore. All right, but just that's how you do it, and that's how you handle it, and it's one of the easier things we do this year.